Today I'm working on a 2012 volt with a broken transmission mount bracket. So as you can see right here, the, this bracket is cracked right in half. And unfortunately, while it's not discontinued yet, it is on back order with no available ship date, and we couldn't find one anywhere that we looked. So I'm going to try to fix the dismount for this customer so they're not left hanging. So this is the bracket. It's made out of cast aluminum. Um, I usually don't like welding cast aluminum, but I took all the steps I could to make sure this thing came out as strong as possible. So I tacked it first, I sanded those down, I grooved it out with a carbide bit, and then I made several passes welding it, sanding it back down, welding it again, trying to push my filler as deep as I could because it wasn't possible to weld it from the backside. Alright, so now I've got one of the bolts had broken off in the transmission. I just got to get the last little bit of it out. So I welded a nut to it, and first attempt it broke as soon as you put pressure on it. It was kind of difficult to get the MIG gun down there, but second try got it right out. All right, so here's the bracket. After I've sanded it down, had to get two new bolts. The one bolt that was broken and another bolt, the last one that was holding the mount on, had bent. So I'm gonna bolt everything back up now. Here's the new mount bolted in. That's bolted to the bracket itself. And once I put everything back together, you can see right here, everything lined up perfect. Got it back in, got it running, and appears to be doing pretty good. So it's good to go.